Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge Chevy Silverado AC. First, gather your supplies, including a can of R134A refrigerant and an AC manifold gauge set. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side near the firewall. Make sure your engine is running and the AC is turned to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Now, connect the blue hose from your gauge set to the low-pressure service port. The gauge will show you the current pressure in your AC system. Consult your vehicle's manual or a reliable source for the recommended pressure range, which is typically between 25 and 45 psi on the low side. This initial reading helps determine if refrigerant is truly needed. With the gauge connected, attach your can of R134A refrigerant to the yellow service hose. Invert the can and slowly open the valve, adding refrigerant in short 10-second bursts. Between each burst, check the low side pressure gauge. Continue this process until the pressure falls within the recommended range, typically around 35 to 40 psi. Once the pressure is correct, disconnect the gauge set and securely replace the service port cap. Now, test your AC system to ensure it's blowing cold air consistently. If the AC still isn't cooling properly, you might have a leak or a different issue requiring professional attention. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.